What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to get asset ID in Roblox catalog and how we can do this. So let me directly get into step. So the first and foremost step is all about we need to log in into your Google Chrome browser into the roblox.com and make sure that you're signed in there. So if you're using the app, you'll not be able to do this. So make sure that you're signed in on the Google Chrome with the credentials of your Roblox and make sure that you're signed in on this. Now, once you get into this, you just need to go over here, click on the marketplace. Now from here, what we need to do is, as you can see, this is absolutely the place where you can get all the details over here. Randomly, I'm going to select one of this, which looks like it is of one of my favorite footballer, that is Lamine Yamal. So I'm going to select this one. Now, if I wanted to get the asset ID of this particular one, so what I need to do is I just need to go over here at the top. You can see there is a numerical value that is 18. If we go at the top, 18633027660. So this is the number, this is the actually the ID, that is the asset ID of this particular one. So this is how we can get it. So you can just copy this and use it anywhere that you want to do, and this is how we can get this. And I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.